Hello everyone. I've seen that everyone was trying to share what they have done with ChatGPT 4. So the idea for me is to give ChatGPT the prompt that I want to build something using no code and AI, and then I would take the instruction from ChatGPT and then see what happens. So first, as you can see, I gave my prompt here, and then ChatGPT start to give me that first we need to identify a problem and get at some ideas, and then it gave me a couple of ones, and then I asked that it should be able to integrate with OpenAI API, and then it started to give me a list of ideas again. So you can see here, it went there. And then I asked for more ideas. And then I stumbled upon this AI-based topic research and AI-driven idea brainstorming, which I like it. So I asked which no-code tool I can use. So ChatGPT gave me a couple of options, and then I asked some specific features that should be included, and then you can see that ChatGPT continued to provide me the help, and then it gave me, so the stack was, as you can see here, we decided to go with software, Airtable, and Make, or what used to be called Integromat. So here ChatGPT start to give me the structure of my table, and if I go here to my Airtable account, so you can see that I have built it. So I put the user's prompt and AI output as was suggested, and then I needed to have some more content to fill inside the form. As you can see, I'm gonna share the link so you can see the application once it's ready. So I asked about a couple of things related to OpenAI, and then I needed a specific automation. So I needed, once a user fills the form for brainstorming, I wanted to see how I can automate few things from Airtable perspective, and he gave me the webhook, and then he tried to help me in writing the script to trigger the webhook. So it didn't work a couple of times. So you can see we went back and forth, and I gave him the errors. And then at the end, after a couple of trial and error, it worked. So, and then let me just show you quickly. So this is where you decide, what you want to brainstorm about. Do you want an app idea, business names ideas, and so on. So let's say I want to have some domain names ideas, and the industry is, let's say, in entertainment. If you want to add few things, like you want to ChatGPT to have additional input, you can put that, but it's not necessary. And then you hit submit. So what will happen now is that what I have done is, once the form is submitted, so basically it goes integrate. So I can show you what I have done here. So this is my scenario. So, and it's an active scenario, as you can see. So the webhook here. So the webhook is just an API endpoint waiting for input. So once it get that from Airtable, it goes and trigger the API of OpenAI, and then once OpenAI finishes, it goes and bring it to Airtable, right? So this is simply what's happening, and it bring it here to Airtable to just create the outputs that you were able to see them here, right? And then of course I need to build the front end, so I used software for this. So this is how it looks like. Of course I have a home page, and I have something to list, right? So this is the input that I'm taking, and here you can see the results as a list, right? And of course I integrated the users and so on, so each user will see exactly what they have done. So if I go here to ideas, here you can go back and see the recent ideas that you've brainstormed. So for example, we asked for domain names ideas for in the entertainment industry, so you can see this what OpenAI came up with, right? So yeah, so and then OpenAI, once I've done all this, I didn't do this part yet, but suggested to, you know, have some landing page for the website, prepare launch, beta testing. I have a couple of beta testers actually now, and then do a launch, right? And then I had an issue with the app name actually, and this is where OpenAI suggested few names. And of course the next step is to prepare the landing page, and after I prepare the landing page, what I would do probably is to integrate it. Actually I did the integration with Stripe, so to make it, for example, a paid app, and you can you know, have people pay for that if they want. Now the next step is just to complete, the landing page and have more beta users. Of course, I need to work a little bit on the UI. As you can see, is not the best, but from functionality perspective, this is, I believe it's quite good. And one thing I did is, like, once you are here on the brainstorm page, you can see the latest prompts that you have used, and you can browse them from here if you want as well, or you can even search. So the reason I actually wanted to show you this is just to give you a sneak peek of how nowadays it's easy for anyone. I don't have the deep technical knowledge. Yeah, I have some background in technology, and of course I know a little bit of scripting and coding, but here I relied completely on OpenAI to do this, as you can see. And the reason I shoot this video is to tell anyone can learn about this technology. Anyone can nowadays come up with ideas. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like. And if you want me to again discuss any topic similar, I would be more than happy to do this. Thank you very much, and until we meet in the next video.